This is an unboxing of a package. I guess this is a set of filters I've got for my eyepiece for telescope. So let's open and see what is it. Your guess is as good as mine. I'm not sure what is exactly it is. So let us see. I can guess only. Okay, now I have opened it and let's see what is inside. Okay, what is inside is this box, which I can guess what is it. Let's read what is written. Astro eyepiece filter set. Oh, 7-piece of a 1.25 inch optical hardware made in China. Thanks to China, many things that in the past were expensive, now they're cheap. Okay, let's open this and see what is inside. Okay, oh, beautiful. Well protected. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 eyepiece filters. Oh, look at these beautiful filters. This is the filter number made in China. What filter is it? Let me open this. Okay, this is the yellow filter. This is good for increasing the contrast. Very good for this purpose. And it has a thread and can be used for this. Yeah, as you can see, it has a thread and can be screwed to the eyepiece. Quite nice. Okay, let's pick another eyepiece filter. What is this one? Oh, that's the moon filter. That's a blue filter. Okay, good. It takes the glare of the moon. You can actually stop your aperture, make it lower, smaller, and that will do better job. This is a polarizing filter. Number 3. Again, this reduces some of the glares from the surfaces of the planets and makes some features visible. This is filter number 55, good for observing Jupiter, I think. 56, sorry. It's a green one. It increases some of the contrast and brings out some details. This is the filter. What filter is this? Filter number 21, again for observing things like the details on the Mars and Jupiter. I've looked at this one already. This one is the filter number 23A, again for planetary observation. I'm looking for this filter. I think that must be, yeah, 82A. This is for light pollution and bringing the contrasting features, more contrast in the images of the deep sky nebulas and galaxies. So nice set of filters. They're metal, by the way. They're made of metal, the rings of them, and of course this part is made of glass and with a coating. All in all, it looks like a nice set. So I'm looking forward to using them with the telescope.